draw the legendary superhero Lego Batman together. Start by drawing a small rectangle for Batman's head. With Lego drawing style, the head will be square and have straight edges. Draw Batman's mask with 2 pointed ears on top and bright eyes inside with a serious expression to create style for the character. Draw the long cape, fluttering behind. The cape can be drawn slightly curved downwards to create the feeling of flying. Next, draw a larger rectangle for the torso. Batman's 2 arms. Each arm will be a rectangle connected to the shoulders. Draw the bat symbol on the chest, right in the middle of the torso, to highlight the characteristic of Batman. Draw Batman's pants, with the legs being 2 rectangles. Now it's time to color Batman. Ta-da! Batman is finished! Have fun drawing and don't forget to add a bit of creativity to make your Lego Batman look special.